Guess mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. Not the first to know there's just no getting over you. I know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do? I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted hopelessly devoted my head was saying, fool, forget him. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on till the end. That's what I intend to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to
Let's learn Rolling with Love. It is choreographed by Heather Barton and Simon Ward. It is a 40 count, 2-wall advanced rolling count. It has a restart on wall 1 after 32 counts and a tag on the end of wall 3. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, the tag, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Rolling with Love. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to step forward with our left, and as you step forward with your left, you're going to sweep your right from back to front, cross your right over your left, and step your left foot to the left side. You're now going to cross your right behind your left, and as you cross behind, you're going to sweep your left from front to back, cross your left behind your right, and make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do 2 quick step half pivots. So you're going to step forward with your left to a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Step forward with your left to a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, and you're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're doing your step sweep. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. You're going to cross your left behind your right and step your right foot to the right side. Cross rock your left over your right, recover back onto your right foot and make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right, and as you step forward, we're going to do a full turn over our left shoulder. So So you're stepping forward with that right foot. You're going to turn over your left shoulder on the ball of your right foot. You're going to hitch your left knee up, coming back to 3 o'clock, and then you're going to step forward with your left. From here, we're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Rock back with your left foot, recover onto your right, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our half turn. You're going to make that quarter stepping to the side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section 3, we're going to rock back with our right foot. You're going to recover onto your left. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to step back with our left, and you're going to sweep your right from front to back. Cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're going to cross rock our right over our left, recover onto your left foot, and we're going to do a weave. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, and as you cross your left behind your right, you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder to face the 430 diagonal, and you're going to sweep your right from front to back. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped to the side, you're rocking back. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section 4. We are going to cross our right behind our left, and you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do sassy walks forward. So as we do these walks forward, you're going to kind of hitch the opposite knee up and around. You just want it to be a nice small hitch. So we're stepping with our right, you're going to bring that left knee up into the front. Step forward with your left, bring your right knee up into the front. Step forward with your right, bring your left knee up to the front. We're now going to cross our left over our right. You're going to step your right foot to the right side and then step your left next to your right. We're now going to cross our right over our left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot and then stepping your right next to your left to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sweep, so we're into that 430 diagonal. You're doing your behind 8 into your sassy walk. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5 and our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 walks forward, left, right. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side and bringing your right foot into your left, and then cross your left over your right. From here, we're going to make a quarter turn, and as you make your quarter turn, you're going to sweep into a half. So we're going to make that quarter turn, stepping back with our right foot. You're going to sweep your left around into a half. Then we're going to step forward with our left foot, and you're going to hitch your right knee up. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot and sweeping your left from front to back. You're now facing 6 o'clock, and then you're going to cross your left behind your right and step your right foot to the right side. Now, when you do that sweep hitch, that whole part is going to feel very long and exaggerated. So you want to make sure that you take your time on your hitch and not rush it right into that sweep, because you want to make sure that you're hitting the parts of the music. So when we do this quarter, you want it to kind of all combine into each other as you do that part and make it nice and fluid. When we get past the first wall, you will really hear the beats of that ending, and you really want to hit them as you do it. There are very distinct beats at the end of each wall where you will hear kind of how you're supposed to be doing it and the space that it's supposed to take up in the music. So now, let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're doing your 2 walks. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your right, you're starting with your step sweep. So it's step sweep, cross, side, behind sweep, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, rock, recover, half, quarter, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, full hitch, step, half, rock back, recover, quarter, rock back, recover, half back sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, side, cross, side, behind, 8, sweep, behind, 8, now it's your sassy walk, cross, side together, cross, quarter together, walk, quarter together, cross, now it's your quarter sweep into your half hitch, and your half sweep, behind, side. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're starting with your step sweep. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Now, let's talk about the restart. The restart happens one time and one time only, and it is right away on wall 1. We're only going to dance up to when we do the cross and together, cross, quarter and together. You're going to restart the dance doing your step sweep. Now, after that, you will dance wall 2 all the way through. On wall 3, you're going to dance the 40 counts, and then you're going to add on your tag. So the tag happens facing 6 o'clock, but I'm going to do it to the front so that you can see what it looks like. You would have just finished your half sweep behind side. All you're going to do is step your left foot out to the side, and as you do that, you're going to bring your right hand palm facing up, and you're going to slowly bring it up towards the ceiling, and you're going to look at your hand. It's only 4 counts, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is the whole tag. The ending is also that same 4 counts. So when we're doing our final wall, you will also do the ending as the tag. Both times you do it, it will be facing 6 o'clock. The dance ends facing 6 o'clock, looking up at your hand. So let's try it to the back with some counts. We're going to do it from our sweep so that you can just practice transitioning into it. So we're stepping back with our right and sweeping your left. So it's back sweep, behind, side, step out, bring your hand up. And then you're ready to start over again, step sweep. And when we end it, you will just hold it there. And that is everything for this dance. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps, back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart and the tag into its next walls. Weight is on your right, you're starting with your step sweep. So it's step sweep, cross, side, behind sweep, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, rock, recover, half, quarter, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, full turn, step, half, rock back, recover, quarter, rock back, recover, half back sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, side, cross, side 8, behind sweep, behind 8, walk, cross and together, cross, quarter together, restart it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step sweep, cross, recover half quarter, behind side cross rock, recover quarter full turn, step, half rock back, recover quarter rock back, recover half back sweep, behind side cross rock, recover side cross, side 8 behind sweep, behind 8 walk, 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 cross side together, cross quarter together, walk, walk, quarter together, cross, now it's your quarter sweep into your half hitch, half sweep, behind side do your tag, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, step sweep, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you will keep dancing until your final wall, and you will add on the tag one more time to end the dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn rolling with love. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Guess mine is not the first